Sai Ram. Let us start with the new chapter, chapter number 13, Exponents and Powers. In this first we will understand, first is introduction, in which we will understand what are exponents. And then we will do exercise 13.1 from question number 1 to question number 4. Do you know the distance between Sun and Saturn is this much kilometer? So can you read this number? You can see this is a very large number. So these very large numbers are very difficult to read and understand. So we use exponents. So that is the reason exponents are used. In this chapter, we shall learn about exponents and understand how to use them. When we have to repeatedly multiply a number by itself, we raise it to a power. So in that case, we use power, and this is known as exponent. The power in the exponent represents the number of times that we want to carry out the multiplication operation. So today we are going to learn how to use exponents to represent large numbers. So let us take a small example. This is a number given. You can see here this 10, and here you can see 4 is written. So it will be written as this 10 is called as base, and this 4, it is called as exponent. What does 10 to the power 4 mean? And we will read it as 10 to the power 4. This is the power, and this is, we are going to read it like 10 to the power 4. It means 10 multiplied 4 times. That means you have to multiply 10 4 times. So we will write down like this. 10 to the power 4 will be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 4 times we will write 10. Now next example, if it is like this 5 square, you can see here, and it will be written like 5 into 5. You have to see the power. Here 2 is written. That means this is the base which we have to write 2 times. We have to multiply base 2 times. Now next example, you see 2 cube is given, and you will write this as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So this base will be written 3 times. Then 4, 8, 4 to the power 8. So you will write it as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 8 times you will write 4. So this shows the meaning of this power. It is 8. And then 3 raised to 5. So this we will write 3 multiplied by 3. 5 times we will write 3. So here we have seen 10 to the power 4 is called as 10 to the power of 4. Just now I have told you. Or you can say 10 raised to 4. And then this one you can see here 5. It is called as 5 to the power of 2. Or you can say 5 squared also. And then this one, this example just now we have discussed, it is said to be, you will call it as 2 to the power of 3. Or you can say 2 cubed, because here 3 is written. So you can say 2 cubed also. And this example you see, it is called 4 to the power of 8. And here this one, it is called 3 to the power of 5. So this way you have to read the number with power. Now suppose if we have a number 128, to write it as exponent, we do its prime factorization. So children, you know how to find out the prime factor. So we are going to find out the prime factor of 128. So let us see here how to do it. You can see here the prime factorization is done. You can see here 2 into 64 is 128. Then again 2 into 32. This is the way we have learned this before. Then 2 into 16 is 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2. So this way you can see these all numbers are prime numbers, that is 2. So how many times 2 has come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write this 2 7 times, and then we can represent it in the form of exponent by writing like this 2 to the power 7. That means 2 is written how many times? 7 times. Now let us take one more example. Suppose if this number is given 72. So this also we can write as prime factor in this way. 2 36 are 72, then again 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. And then this all, you can see these are all prime numbers, so we will write like this in the form of multiplication. They are multiplied because when you multiply these all numbers, you will get 72. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 into 3. This is the way we will write first, and then you can write down in the form of power. You can see here 2 is written 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 is written 3 times. So we can write 2 cube, and then multiplied by 3 has come how many times? 2 times. So we'll write 3 squared. So you can write 2 cube multiplied by 3 squared. So this is the way we can represent in the form of exponents. Now let us do exercise 13.1, question number 1, based on what we have learned just now. Find the value of. Now here we have to find out the value. So it is given in exponential form and you have to find out the value of this number. So 2 raised to 6 is given. So first we will write down what does it mean. 2 raised to 6 means 2 we have to write 6 times. So 2 into 2, you can see here 2 is written 6 times. And then you can multiply 2, multiply by 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8. And this also will multiply, you will get 8. So you can split and you can multiply, or directly also you can multiply. When you multiply all, you will get answer 64. So the value of 2 raised to 6 is 64. Now question number 2, 9 cube. So 9 cube means we will write 9 3 times. 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. So when we will multiply these 3 numbers, we will get 729. Now next question, question number 2, express the following in exponential form. Now you can see here children, the number is given in multiplication form and we have to write in exponential form. So for that what you will do, you will see this 6 is the base which is written how many times? You can see 4 times. So we will write 6 as the base, and how many times 6 is repeated? It is repeated 4 times. So we will write 6 to the power 4. So this is the exponential form of this numbers. Now next is t multiplied by t. So that means t is multiplied 2 times. So we will write this in exponential form as t square. Now third one, you see b into b into b into b. So b is written 4 times. So we'll write b raised to 4. Now question number 3, express each of the following numbers using exponential form. So now this is the number given 512 and we have to write this in exponential form. So first we have to find out the prime factor of this number. So you can see it is done here. 256 is 512. Then again 2 into 128 is 256. 2 into 64 is 128. 2 32s are 64. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So you can see these all are prime factors. And this we will write in the form of multiplication first. You can see here 2 is here 9 times written. So you will write 2 9 times. 2 multiplied by 2 till 9 times you are going to write 2. And then at the end what you will write? We will write in exponential form. So we will write 2 to the power 9. So this is the way you will represent any number which will be given as exponential form. In exponential form. Now next one is 729. So this also we will first find out the prime factor. 3 multiplied by 243 is 729. Then again 381. 3 multiplied by 81 is 243. 3 into 27 is 81. 3 into 9 is 27. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 1s are 3. And now you see how many times 3 has come. It is written 6 times. So we will write the same way, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 times we will write. And then we will write is equal to 3 to the power 6. So this is the exponential form of this number. Now next question, here 343. So here also we'll do in the same way. 343, 7 into 49 is 343, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. So we'll write 7 3 times, so that is equal to 7 cube. Now next question, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So you have to identify which number is greater, 4 cube or 3 to the power 4. So we'll have to compare. So first 4 cube we will write 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 3 times we'll write, and when we'll multiply this we'll get 64. So same way here we'll see, we'll write 3 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So when you multiply this, you can group them and then multiply. 3 3s are 9, and this also 9 9 9s are 81. And when you compare this to number 64 and 81, 81 is greater than 64. So we can say that 4 cube is less than 3 to the power 4, or you can say 3 to the power 4 is greater number. Now next question, question number 3 we will do next part. You will do in the same way. 8 square, you can see here this is 8 square and this one is 2 to the power 8. So you are going to solve it in the same way. 8 square means we'll write 2 times 8, and here 2 to the power 8 means 2 you are going to write 8 times. And then we'll multiply. 8 into 8 is 64, and this when you multiply all, you will get here, you can see, you can group them and write like this. 2 2s are 4, then again this is another group 4, then again another group, like this you can make group. This is another group, this is another group, like this. So you will get here 4, here you will get 4, here you will get 4, here you will get 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. This 2 when you multiply you will get 16. So 16 into 16 is 256. So now when you compare, 256 is greater than 64. Now in place of 64 we will write 8 square. In place of 256 we will write this one 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power 8 is greater. So this way you can compare any number which will be given in exponential form. Now this is the homework for today. Question number 1, third and fourth part. Question number 2, fifth and sixth. And question number 3, fourth part. 3 parts we have done today. Question number 4, fourth and fifth part is your homework. So next time we will discuss this all homework questions. Thank you. That's all for today.